Hi all, welcome to the Tech Echo, where we explore new cutting edge technologies that shape the future. In this session, we dive into real world examples, challenges, and possibilities with which our experts will share their opinions, insights, and a new perspective for looking forward. Today, we are joined by Gokul, our XR lead, and Sreehari, our AI lead, who will speak on how this immersive XR and intelligent AI coming together could help the manufacturers make a smarter training with safer options. According to your experience, how do you think XR is helping manufacturers today?
So right now, XR is already helping manufacturers in different ways. So we are working with the customers who use virtual reality to train their workers. So instead of reading manuals or watching videos, new operators can step into the virtual environment and interact with the machine by like learn by doing. So which is like an immersive and repeatable. So which makes it more effective as well.
How is AI currently helping optimize manufacturing, especially in areas like predictive maintenance or defect detection?
Okay, when talking about manufacturing industries, so currently all those maintenance are done by humans. For example, if there is any equipments or any instruments is failed, then only we will know that it's failed, and then we need to go to checking and we need to find out what's happened. Then we need to do the replacement or any new equipment need to be installed. So this is actually a long process, and we can directly understand maybe what happened or when will this happen. So instead of that, we can use AI and predictive maintenance systems where we can implement some IoTs, implement some computer vision logics. So by getting the real data from these sensors and these cameras, we will get the real-time information of each and every equipments and every industrial systems, so that we can understand what's happening on that each equipments, so that we can predict, we can use those data and do the analysis and do the predictions when the system will likely to go failure. So that by using these informations we can predict maybe before 1 month or before a week, so that we can do some corrective actions to reduce this downtime of every industrial equipments. Okay, so these systems, these implementations can be done across different areas like automobile industries, oil and gas industries, logistics, warehouses. All of them require a lot of manpower. So we can implement these sensors and these camera inputs, so that we can undergo these predictive maintenance, and we can reduce the downtime, and we can reduce the workforce also.
How do you envision XR and AI coming together in manufacturing industry?
AI brings intelligence to everything we just talked about. When a technician is using AI, AI can analyze the machine data in real time and display alerts before anything goes wrong. So, for another example, in training, AI can monitor how someone performs inside a VR session and adjust the experience on the fly. So if someone struggles with a step, the system can slow down or give more hints or switch to another learning mode. So that means smarter training for each person. We are also seeing people connect XR to AI powered systems like predictive maintenance tools or quality inspection algorithms. So, along with visualizing a process, workers can actually act on insights that AI provides. In short, like XR is the interface and AI is the brain. Together, they can actually help people make better or faster decisions.
So, Srihari, what are your thoughts on the same? Like how XR and AI coming together could help the manufacturers?
Okay, so the most interesting integration is actually with AI and XR technologies, where we can use these technologies so that it will be much more a beautiful integration. For example, there is most common usage of XR or virtual reality is for training purposes. So we can train some workers so that they can don't need to directly do the training in a physical environment. So we can create a virtual environment and do the training purpose. So in that training sections, we don't need to provide a human assistant, so they can directly communicate with the AI assistants inside the virtual reality environment. So they can talk directly, so they will get the feedback, they can understand those informations, and based on those performance, how they perform during this virtual training, they will get the feedback, they will get the performance evaluation, they can optimize their training methods so they can do better in the next training sessions. So by integrating AI with these XR technologies, we can make the system much more advanced so that we can reduce the human workforce by increasing the performance of the trainees or improve the performance of the users.
To wrap up with, how do you see the future evolving at the intersection of AI, XR, and digital twins?
So the future is actually all about connected intelligence, and we believe digital twins are a big part of that. A digital twin is basically a live virtual version of a physical process or a machine or even an entire factory. AI can actually keep it updated in real time with the real time data. So, for example, now imagine viewing a digital twin in VR. So you can actually walk around, zoom into that machine, and see how they are actually performing right now. Or even you can actually test simulations, test on simulations before doing anything in the real world. It gives you a full view of what's happening and what might happen in the future or what to do next. It's like an all-in-one immersive interface. In long term, we are moving towards that factories which are fully data-driven, immersive, and connected. Uh, and the digital twins that are powered by XR and AI could make the future practical and more human centered.
Thank you for watching.